5 Best Electric Trimmers. Here is the product number 5. Woodworking Trimmer Tool. Brand name, Lejeune. No load speed, 30,000 revolutions per minute. Chuck diameter, 1/4 and 6 mm. Rated input power, 550 watt. Rated voltage, 220 volt. Machine weight, 1.7 kilograms. Here is the product number 4. Power Tool Electric Trimmer. Brand name, KINGGUARD. Frequency, 60 Hz. Rated input power, 440 watt. Rated voltage, 230 volt. Rated input power, 350 watt. No load speed, 15,000 to 22,000 revolutions per minute. Here is the product number 3. Electric Trimmer Power Tool. Brand name, KINGGUARD. Rated input power, 250 watt. No load speed, 30,000 RPM. Rated voltage, 220 volt. Frequency, 50 Hz. Color, black, red. Suitable for cutting, nail, metal, wood. Here is the product number 2. KINGGUARD Electric Saw Trimmer. Brand name, KINGGUARD. No load speed, 11,000 RPM. Rated input power, 250 watt. Frequency, 50 Hz. Is customized, yes. Rated voltage, 220 volt. Usage, renovation team. DIY supplies, woodworking. Here is the product number 1. Electric Saw Renovator Tool. Brand name, KINGGUARD. Chuck diameter, 1. Frequency, 50 Hz. No load speed, 11,000 RPM. Rated input power, 440 watt. Rated voltage, 230 volt. DIY supplies, woodworking. Check the description below for the link and more items. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Like, comment and share.